You already know, it's the vlog.
What's going on, YouTube? Brandon Reg here, back at you with another vlog game, where you at, vlog game in the building. Now, if you don't know who vlog game is, if you're new, and you're saying, who's the vlog game? Vlog game is you once you become a subscriber. When you become a subscriber, you're gonna have all different type of perks. One perk is you're gonna always get a chance to win some free money. Right now I'm doing a free money giveaway once I reach 2,000 subscribers. Once I reach 2,000 subscribers, one of my vlog game members was gonna win $25 gift card. And that's just being a subscriber to my channel, or shall I say supporter, because all you guys supporters. So if you want to get a chance to win this free money, this is what you need to do. Hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Give me a like. It's going to help me, and it's going to help the algorithm to know who I am. And drop a comment down below. I want to see how many people out there have started their YouTube channel or thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Please leave that in the comments below and share this everywhere. And let's get to 2,000 subscribers, guys. All right, so I'm going to talk about how much money I made the first year of being monetized as a small YouTube channel, and this is for 2020. So when I started this channel, I say it was back in 2019, early 2019. It took me almost a year to get monetized. Reason being, I didn't know anything about YouTube. Matter of fact, click on the link at the top of this video somewhere, and on that video, I talk about the 5 things I wish I knew when I started my YouTube channel. Because when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't know none of these things that I know now. And hence, my YouTube channel is growing, which is App Grind TV. And that's what I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to talk about App Grind TV. So I'm going to show you how much that channel made. And I'm going to be totally transparent, guys. I'm going to show you the ups and downs, how many subscribers I was getting on a daily basis, how much money I was making on a daily basis. So I'm going to show you all that in my analytics, guys. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop on my computer and show you my analytics and show you how much I made in 2020 after being monetized. Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm on my computer right now, and I went ahead and logged in to App Grind TV. All right, so I went ahead and put in for 2020. And as you can see, I got 220,000 views. Watch time was 6.8 hours. I got 3,500K subscribers, and I made $1,350.54. I know that's not much. I know some YouTubers get that every month. But again, I just got monetized like the end of 2019. I didn't start making no money until January, or maybe February or something like that of 2020, which I'm going to show you right now. So I'm not going to make this video too long. I'm going to go through this right quick, guys. I'm just being transparent, showing you what I have made on this channel right here. Again, this is App Grind TV. This is not the channel I'm on now, which is the vlog channel, which is Random Reg. This is a whole different channel that I do. I have several channels. It's just one channel, my oldest channel, that's making me a little side money. All right, so the views, as you can see here, January 1st, I had 424 views. And I'm not going to go every day, but I'm going to go through it kind of go through it, kind of skim through it. So it was up and down. This day I had 2,000 some views. I don't know what happened. I don't know, something went viral or something. But after that, it kind of, went to 600. It was going up and down, up and down. Because at that time, I wasn't posting regularly. I was posting every other day or twice a week. I was all over the place. So I wasn't posting every day. But I started posting every day, maybe sometime middle of 2020. Matter of fact, when the pandemic started, I started posting really every day because I know people was inside, probably looking at YouTube a lot. So I started posting. So some days I was getting 800. It was up and down. See this day right here, let's go back, 1,522. That's a lot of views for this channel right here. And then it went back down. So I guess some videos I was posting, they would get a lot of views. Some videos that I didn't post didn't get that many views. But as you can see here, I guess I was averaging 600 to 700 views a day from August all the way through. And December kind of died down a little bit because I was on my other channel, which is this channel right here, the vlog channel, and I was posting more on this channel, trying to get more views on the vlog channel. I was doing Vlogmas. So all the way to the December 30, you can see the views went kind of down to 400 or 500 views a day. Subscribers, I know that's important. Everybody wants subscribers. So I started off in January. I only had I got 10 subscribers. It was going up and down from 2 to 3 to 7 every day. And then I don't know what happened on this day. I think that's when I had that video that got 1,000 views. I got 22, 40 something subscribers that day, which was something else, I was shocked. And then then it went after that video stopped being viral. I went back to 10, 11 views, sometimes 17. And this was during August. And then all of a sudden, I got 45 subscribers on that one day in October. Maybe another video probably went a little viral. And then it went down. Like I said, in December, I started getting on this channel right here, trying to make more videos on the vlog channel. So I wasn't posting that much in December. I should have been posting because December is the month where a lot of advertisers are on YouTube, and that's when you need to be posting a lot. But I was trying to get my vlog channel going because it wasn't getting that many views. So as you can see, I ended up with 18 subscribers on December 30th. And here's the revenue, which you guys want to know, right? You really want to know about the revenue. That's what y'all really interested in. So January 2nd, I made $3. So I was averaging, I know it's very low, guys, very low. It can be discouraging. I don't want to be up here making all these videos and all I'm getting $1, $2, $3 a day. But, that's how it was at the time. Until, then that day I got $6 on one day. It's because maybe that video, they went a little viral. And here's the other thing, guys. The amount of money you're going to be making every day is going to vary from the viewership. So people that are viewing overseas, I'm in the United States, so people that are looking at your videos from other countries, maybe like Africa or India or something like that, the amount of money you're going to make from ads is going to be real, real low. So, but when you get a lot of views or a lot of viewers from United States, then your your CPM is going to be higher. So as you can see here, when I was going in June and July, I was posting more, but I think I was still getting a lot more people from other countries. You know, I guess because this channel is about making money online, being an entrepreneur. That niche is kind of competitive. It's a lot of people out there, but I was still getting views on a regular basis from people in other countries. You know what I'm saying? The third world countries. I was getting a lot of views from them. So as you can see, some days I did. Now I'm going to show you a day I did get higher than $4 or $5. Let's see what day that was. So this day, where is it? I got $7. But here's one day right here. I think a video went viral. I got $9.65 I made on that day. So, and what I tried to do when I found out that video, I tried to go ahead and duplicate it and make another video similar to it. And so I did that video and it got $8 that day. And I got $8 again. So December, as you can see, the amount of money I was making a little bit higher than earlier that year, because in December the CPM is higher because of more people are putting ads on YouTube videos. But as you can see, it started dying down about the end of December because Christmas was over. And plus I was, like I said before, I was making more videos on my other channel. So guys, that's it. That's really it. But I'll go ahead and show you this. It's just the same thing I was showing you earlier with the amount of revenue I was making. And I just want to show you the RPM, which is how much you're going to actually make from your from the ads. And here's the CPM, which was $17.13. With this niche, the CPM is higher than like pranks and other entertainment videos. So my RPM was $6.69. Somebody's doing pranks and just a regular vlog channel, it might be $2, might be $1. So if I was getting a lot more views, if I was getting the views that the vlog channels and the prank channels are getting, man, this revenue would be much, much higher. But that's it, guys. I just want to show you what I made in 2020 and my first year of being monetized. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Really appreciate you guys checking my video out and checking out this channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Give me a like. Drop a comment down below. I want to know if you want to start a YouTube channel. And if you have started a YouTube channel, what are you doing to try to make it more successful, to get more views, get more subscribers? Let me know in the comments below. It could help somebody out there. And please share this video everywhere. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers because I'm going to give out a $25 gift card to a lucky subscriber, Vlog Game member. So be a subscriber now, become a Vlog Game member. All right, I'm out of here. It's been Random, and Random Reg is out. Peace.